So SX Pro, we've always got our clients' interests at heart, so it made sense to introduce Atmos to Nick and Paul here, because we've got so much interest going on at the moment with that, and obviously it's a huge scene that's happening now. So I showed them it. I showed them, I think it was a little demo on a phone, and it's really impressive. And you know, they kind of really enjoyed what that gave them. I said, you know, if you're going to consider this properly, you really need to hear the real thing. So I took them to the PMC demo room in Islington. Introduced them to Heff. We had this great demo there, showed them a bunch of different tracks, and from that point they were really excited. I think they went out and spec'd the studio straight away and placed an order, and we helped them with this.
I got involved in the Audio Animals project a couple of months ago. Dale from SX Pro introduced me to Nick and Paul, and they were looking for a solution as they were trying to build an Atmos room. They came to the PMC Studio in London and were blown away and really enjoyed the immersive experience there and wanted to get involved, and we clearly wanted to support them. So it was within a couple of days that I heard that they'd made the order for these speakers, and now I think we're 2 months down the line and we're here, and it looks and sounds incredible.
So I was introduced to Dolby Atmos. I went down to visit the PMC showroom in London. I literally walked into that room, heard the speaker system that they had in there, and I was blown away by the quality. I then decided that if I could have that sort of quality back at my own studio, it would be perfection. My clients have reacted massively positive. I mean, I've had people in here who are big grown men who have, you know, they've been so emotionally just gripped by the sound that they start to tear up, and it raises the hairs on the back of your arms. And the way I see, they'll sit in this chair sitting in a sweet spot, listening to the music playing, and then they'll turn around to me and their jaws are just like, wow, this is next level, this is incredible. And the thanks that I get from them, they turn to me and they thank me for taking their music to a level they never knew was possible. And that's what's so brilliant about it.